brought in? Well, it's obviously a violin, isn't it? It's a machine gun. Can you tell me a little bit about where you acquired it from?
The violin belonged to an aunt of mine. She passed away, and it was passed to me in the early 60s. And it's been with me ever since. I've never played it.
Never played it?
No.
So, it's quite a nice violin, as violins go. I mean, everyone says, oh, you know, is it a Stradivarius? Unfortunately, I don't want to disappoint you, kid.
Oh dear.
But
I thought it might be.
It's not, no. It's not going to be English, I don't think. It'll be continental and exported into England. And it's going to be, I would think, probably 1890, 1900, that sort of period. Maybe a little bit later. And have you got any idea of its value, Keith?
No, not really. No. I'm looking for as much as obviously as we all are.
Absolutely, yeah. And why do you want to sell it?
My